Hi again, welcome to my next video. Today I'm going to extend my lab to site-to-site VPN and remote access VPN. Why do we need it? Let's say I'm an owner of a company. This is my office. This is my PC at my office. Eh, I want to be connected at home anytime I want. I don't want to dial to put user, password, nothing. I want to be connected like I'm at my office. So I'm gonna buy a small firewall, install it at home, configure site to site with the main office, and my laptop at home will be connected with RDP all time, every time I need, without to be worried about security. So it's always connected. And let's say I travel a lot, customers, suppliers. I take my PC, connect with some wireless network anywhere in the world. I want to be connected the same. So this firewall can connect both of the firewall site-to-site VPN and my laptop wherever I want, with a dialer, with a secure client or SSL extender, and to be connected at home. I will use a small firewall, also checkpoint, this box. This small box, not so cheap, but worth it. I will connect the one interface. I will connect the one interface to the internet and the LAN interface to my PC. And this is, and as long as the firewall is connected and configured with site to site, I will be connected to my home office. So I will first connect the firewall and start to configure it. I will use centrally manage with the dashboard of this firewall. I will install policy on this firewall. This host PC will manage both of the firewalls, this one and this one. When the tunnel is up, I will configure rule that my laptop at home can RDP my laptop at office, and I will disconnect this laptop and try with remote access, and we'll see how it's work. So I will pause and connect the firewall. Okay, I power on the machine. I plug the power LAN 1 to my laptop. I will configure my laptop interface, Ethernet. The basic IP of the firewall is 192.168.1.1. So I put myself an IP 11 in the end. After the first time wizard, I want the firewall to be with this IP 10.5.3.10, so I will put myself another IP. In the lab, this is my new IP at home. Let's start access firewall. $14.50. Something is wrong. Let's try with the Explorer. Now it's better. Okay, I will put my password. Okay, the clock is okay. We can use NTP later. We don't have internet access now. Okay, I will call it GW Home. Centrally managed. I can do locally managed, but we have firewall with management, so we will use it. When I use the locally managed, I need to configure the rules here via the web interface. It's not convenience, but it's very useful when you don't have a management server. Okay, configure internet connection later. Okay, according to our lab, it's 10.5.3.10. So I'm gonna change it. I can put TCP. I don't need the whole range because it's only for me. Maybe I will connect some guests. I can make another port to be a DMZ or to be a separate network for the kids. But right now it will be only LAN switch, only one. If it will be disconnect, it didn't. Okay. I want the host PC to manage the firewall. So I will put this also 10.5.5.11. Before I will do next, I need to put my own PC also. 10.5.350. And I need to add the first time wizard IP. Now 10.5.350 and 192.168.111 can manage and check it again. Otherwise, I will have to connect with the serial console and to add my IP. Okay, I will activate when we will have internet. The SIG is a one-time password. You can use whatever you like. Please tell the firewall, the machine, that only management with this SIG can connect to and manage this firewall. You can put the machine on the internet and it will take time till you configure it on the management server, and you need to be sure that no one is taking ownership of this machine. So it's kind of password to manage